Next, ladies and gentlemen, multi-modal logistics park and external trunk connectivity to multi-modal logistics park in Bangalore.
Rupees 7,231 crores, 186 kilometers length, will drive economic growth and trade competitiveness of the country, the multi-modal logistic park.
Thank you, sir. And now, once again, a short film will be screened on these road projects.
India has seen unprecedented progress in all spheres in the last 8 years. Under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. It is because of his decisive measures, tireless efforts and people-centric initiatives that people shower their love and affection on him as their own.
आज भारत आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के निर्माण के लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है, तो वही आज का भारत हर वो कदम भी उठा रहा है जिससे प्रोजेक्ट्स में देरी ना हो, रुकावटें ना आए, कम समय पर पूरा हो.
Modern and future-ready connectivity is being ensured across the country, and Karnataka has emerged as an equal partner in this growth journey. Strengthening the vision of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, road infrastructure projects worth over rupees 2 lakh crore are being developed in Karnataka. Minister for Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Gadkari ji and Chief Minister of Karnataka Shri B.S. Bommai ji are determined to fast-track and complete the infrastructure projects in record time. Recently, foundation stone was laid for Bangalore-Chennai Expressway. Today is a historic day for the people of Karnataka as the Honorable Prime Minister is laying the foundation stone for 6 projects costing about rupees 7,300 crore. 4-laning of Bengaluru Ring Road from Belagondapalli to Tamil Nadu border and Hoskote to Tamil Nadu border will provide seamless connectivity to 6 national highways and 8 state highways passing through Bengaluru. It will also provide seamless connectivity to major ports of Chennai, Mangaluru and Krishnapatnam, thereby reducing logistics cost and furthering ease of doing business. The project related to 6-laning of Neelamangala-Tumkur section is a part of Mumbai-Pune-Chennai corridor that will decongest traffic in Bengaluru city, eliminate 13 black spots and ensure a safe and convenient movement for people of the region. Upgradation of Punjalakatte to Charamadi section will provide alternate route between central Karnataka and Mangaluru for landslides-prone stretches of Shiradi Ghat during monsoon. It will also be beneficial for pilgrims visiting to Dharmasthala and Surya temples and tourists coming to Chikamagaluru, Beluru and Halebeedu. Upgradation work on Madhugiri, Gauri-Bidanur, Chikkaballapur section will improve interstate connectivity between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and ensure easy access to bigger markets for local produce like cotton, silk and mangoes. As a part of PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, multimodal logistics park at Bengaluru is being developed at a cost of rupees 1,800 crore. It will give a big boost to the trade and business related to commodities like electrical goods, rice, spices, automobiles, cement, apparel and fast-moving consumer goods. Furthering rail line of 4.5 km from Dodabeli railway station and road from NH 648 to MMLP will provide end-to-end connectivity. The logistics park will play a key role in rapid progress of these sectors and create a lot of employment opportunities for local youth. All the projects will create 21st century road infrastructure for the people of Karnataka, ensure ease of living, transform urban landscape and go a long way in making a self-reliant India.